Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is just playing around. I'm waiting for my last two videos to load up, and I just did the broken heart, and I did a pattern like this, and I started thinking other people might be able to use this pattern somehow, and then I made that with it that I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to do is just make a straight line by holding down the control button. I'm going to get my pick or my shape tool. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to add some nodes. Then I'm going to make a duplicate of that. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 1/2 of an inch. Well, let's 0.5. We made a copy, so we're going to Control D. I'll tell you what, we'll move it over an inch. So now both of your lines are equal. Then click on this one, pick on that node, click on that node, and move cursor over. And let's do every other one. Now click on this line and do the same ones. So what you're getting is like a zigzag effect. Then just take your straight line tool and go from that node to that node. And from that node, from that node to that node, and you've got a complete, what I would do, I would smart fill it, move your smart fill away, then you could left click, right click, and then this is a solid item and you could do anything with. But playing around, I created that just by accident, so let's use that same one. I don't think I'll probably be able to reproduce it. I'm going to turn that to 90 degrees, and I'm going to get my envelope tool. And I'm going to hold down my control button and see if I can't get it even and go the other way. And that's a pretty cool effect anyway, but all I did to get to this shape, I just selected those two and hit delete. And look what happened. I mean, you couldn't draw that, well, you could, but it would take you forever. And I'm not ever saying, but you could play around. A lot of people think I'm knowledgeable, and I might be a little bit, but I've just done it by playing. So let's Control D and make a duplicate of that. Move our rotation to that node right there, and let's rotate it 0 degrees. Control D, and I came pretty close. Well, I think it's exactly a copy of that. And then to make it good, select it all, left click, right click, select it all again to make sure, and then weld it in those inner parts. Then you can get your smart fill tool and have some fun. Anyway, I'm not saying you're ever going to do that, but the zigzag pattern might help you out. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.